Hi YouTube, welcome to Wez Picks. Today I'm just going to be showing off this little EDC kit. It's a 5-pick set, all made out of 20 thousandths Starrett feeler stock. What we got, obviously they're all held together with just a little brass kind of nut and, well, screw and nut really, which seem to work pretty well. Just punch a 4mm hole in the end of the bits of feeler stock. I did make some little stainless washers, and also inside I put a few bits of like some little rubber washers as well, just to give it a bit of, make it quite stiff really, because when you want to, you can either use it sort of covertly, or you can actually use it like a normal pick. Seems to work pretty well. I put 5 pretty popular pick tips on. We've got a steep, medium, kind of an Attila, and a DeForest, and then that end we got a Bogota. So yeah, pretty fun to make. I've just undone the bloody thing, so I haven't, what I normally do is super glue the thread, so once it's locked out to the right tension, then that's good enough. Super glue it shut, so seems to work well. So anyway, I thought, should we give it a little bit of a go? I'll have a go with the bogey. Got this little casp, 145/40, and see if we can get into it with the right tension wrench, maybe. Right, so go in with the Bogota. I haven't got a key for this casp. Let's have a go with the big beast of a Stanley. All locked up, there's the keys. And let's see if we can get into this. We'll try this one maybe sort of covert style, shall we? And we're in. So anyway, hope you like that. That is just, like I say, just showing off the little EDC kit. Fits nicely in your back pocket, or, well, what I've actually been putting it in is a piece of shrink wrap without shrinking it. It just slots in there, keeps them all nice and shiny. So anyway, hope you like that, and thank you very much.